That's a great question, but what goes into it? A lot of preparation. Like, you have to really prepare your body. I'm probably 50 kilos soaking wet, so against those guys, against Strumar, against Christian Stenhardiger, against Japet, I really have to try my best. I'm not as strong as them, so a lot of eating, a lot of recovery. That's what goes into it for me.
Okay, Ruben? Lagi ko sinasabi sa interview, hindi mo may stop si Jumar, at least kahit malimit ng muna siya. Tsaka not all Jumar na team na ito, natin there. So, loaded talaga. Sa amin, mga picks lang talaga yung trabaho namin is depensahan si Jumar. And then, the rest, bahala na sila sa opensa siguro. And then, yun, like I said, it was a grind out series talaga.